Hello everyone, welcome to Garden Ideas. In this video, we discuss about the gorgeous garden fountains. Gardens are delightful place to spend the time, but sometimes you just want to give them that extra touch. Maybe you enjoy having some cool water to dip your tones into, or you enjoy the sound of bubbling brook. Either way, adding a garden fountains to your yard is an excellent way to expand your sanitary experience. There are so many types of fountains to choose and seeing a few examples in this video. The types on offer should help you to determine which fountain will be the best fit for your garden. Whether you are hoping to get some height with a tide pedestal fountain or keep things minimal with a simple bubbler, we have plenty of precedents to inspire you. If you have lot of yard on your hands, then try adding a more robust water features that only take up some space but also adds much needed focal point. Arrange your pond so it's surrounded by seasonal plants for vista that will shift with the seasons, or elevate if for a more traditional center fountains that allow for raised bands or a surrounding bench to linger on. The classic project project spigot is a great choice for the applications as well for a stunning visual and auditory experience. The orb fountain is the contemporary classic. You can find them in all shapes and size as well as variety of colors. They work well in a ponds or shallow basins as seen in this stunning example in this video. But they can also be deployed in the pools or and beds of river rocks. If you are hoping to add the warmth of fountain but want to keep things sleek, this modern orb is the way to go. A wall of water spots will add lots of drama without taking up too much space. Place one at the perimeter of your yard or use it as a divider between garden zones. Wall sports are also an excellent addition to yours with the pool as they help to critical circulate the water for more modern approaches like this water wall. Keep your detailing minimal and your material sleek. Small tide fountains are perfect for garden of all size and are also an excellent choice if you are hoping to go for something more dry. Using a small bubbles fountain step and trio of the graduate planters is an easy way to create a piece that will give you those delightful burbling sounds without taking up too much precious garden space. Just be sure you leave space for any necessary pumps and reserves. Another way to Excellent your fountains to center it. Our eyes love and the finding it's a both pleasurable visual experience and excellent way to draw attention to different zones in your garden. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please keep supporting us.